Last episode of Mighty Car Mods, we brought this awesome track car that we've been working on for years, Too Sexy, down to Luddenham Raceway, and we raced Moog's awesome little Mini. Now, this one, it's a track car, the Mini's not. The Mini looked amazing and sounded amazing, but my friend doesn't really like losing. Decided he would bring his daily to the track, and here it is. Are you sure? It's not too late, man.
What do you mean?
It's not too late. You're actually going to legitimately tell people that you drive a Golf.
Well, it's too late now. They've just seen it. Don't we say you rung what you brung?
Dude, but it's, come on, man. Like, going to the shops, I get. Drive it to work, I get. Be comfortable, but like...
Dude, this is like, can you drive a Mini around every single day? You could try it, the 240Z.
You could do that too.
They're difficult things,
I'm sure
man.
a lot of people would be happy to do that. They'd choose those over a Golf.
I don't actually disagree. Now, of course, it's like, you could have the Focus RS down here, but we can't for reasons that, you know, it's getting some work done at the moment. Super Gramps is getting some work done at the moment. There's all sorts of things going on. This works, it's here, your car's here. Why not?
But there's things I can't understand. You're not a real estate agent.
No.
You're not a sales manager.
No.
So why?
I don't know, man.
And
there's something about the boringness of it that's really exciting.
That makes no sense.
No, I know it's the most boring performance car you can get. And
I would agree with that. It is legitimately probably the most boring performance car you can get. Now, given it is an R, right?
I'm glad you called it a performance car.
It's not like GTI embarrassing, but it's pretty embarrassing.
Well, there's a story to that. I got this second hand, obviously, as you know, and it was very cheap.
Wait, no, stop. Sight unseen, cheapest one on car sales.
Yes, how'd you know? Anyway, here's what I since found out, Martin. This is a GTI.
What?
Looks like a Golf.
It's got an R badge.
Has an R badge, but this is a GTI. Front wheel drive.
Aren't these things four-wheel drive?
Pardon?
Aren't they four-wheel drive? Isn't that the whole point of having an R badge?
Yes, correct.
It makes no sense what you're saying.
No.
Just like you owning this makes no sense.
Yes. It's all a big mystery. I know this is a front-wheel drive Golf R that you wouldn't think existed until you own one and realise that your Haldex is flogged. So this one here was obviously cheap because the tyres were flogged, the Haldex didn't work, the battery's flogged, the start button doesn't work, all these little things. But these are not big issues because a bit of DIY, you get it going again, and it's happy days. This was cheap, man. This was cheap. Cheap. It's a cheap performance car. Anyway, shall we have a race?
Cheap and thrashed. Really?
You hate them, don't you?
No.
You had your Volkswagen Polo, and ever since then you haven't liked them.
It's not that, man. I just don't get it. I don't hate them. Like, cool, if you like it, that's great. I'm happy for you, but I don't get it. And I don't get why you'd be like, of all the cars you could bring to attract a Golf. I keep calling it a Golf. Notice I'm not calling it a Golf R, because this looks almost identical.
No, because it is. It's just a Golf. It's all the same
It's a Golf
stuff.
with some fancy stuff.
Yeah.
You're going to get so chopped.
I know, but we're not crashing cars today. This is just for playground, what do you call it? Playground king rules. What do you call it in handball when you're the king?
I don't know, probably the king?
Yeah. This is just to be the king of Luddenham.
King of Luddenham racetrack in a Golf. What an accolade. Well, I think Too Sexy is going to give it a good run for its money.
I think these make... Yeah, totally stock.
Okay.
No tune, no brakes, no mods, no exhaust, no resonator delete, which is the #1 mod that every Golf R fool does. I mean, we're not fools, and they're not either, but I wasn't into that. This makes around 70 to 80 kilowatts less than your car does. My rough maths would tell me. Yeah.
Are they 180 or something? 170?
No, like 150, 160. What does yours make again?
220?
Yes, that's 70 kilowatts of wheels less.
Wow.
It weighs heaps more, probably double. I don't know what they weigh, maybe 1.5,
Does your four-wheel drive work now, though?
It works now. Okay. Oh, and I fixed all the stuff.
Oh, you did?
I fixed all the stuff, yeah. So it's got all-wheel drive. The start button works now. The battery's still shot, but I'll get to that later. But here it is, people. Welcome to Mighty Car Stock Golf.
The race no one expected nor wanted. I'm still
all
going
right,
to
let's do it, man. Let's just get this done. And
this will be very, very interesting. Old front-wheel drive Nugget ex-show car versus real estate agent's car.
All right, let's go.
This might be a bit of a surprise to you, but it's not a surprise to me. He's got this weird thing with Golfs. And I'm not saying all Golfs are crap. Some are crap, like some Lancers are crap. And they're cool cars, but like he's had a Mark III, a Mark IV, a Mark 4.5 that he did himself, a Mark 5, and a Mark 6, and now he's got a Mark 7. And would he have a 7.5 or an 8 if you gave him the opportunity? Probably. He just loves it. Wasn't that nervous about the Mini, although that surprised me how quick that was. This is a different thing. This is a bit more technology. I kind of wish his Haldex was still broken because that would make this a fair fight. Four-wheel drive, I don't know. It's going to be interesting. It is stock though, and this thing is pretty wild. And yes, it's got a power advantage, but can you use it? I don't know. This is all the things we're going to find out. Part of the fun of coming to a track with your mates. I wonder if he's going to use some tricky launch control. My launch control is called a left foot. Dump it. He's probably programming it right now as we speak. Beep, 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 beep. Up, down, left, right, X, Y, up, down, select, start. Launch. This shifter is amazing. Look at it. It's just so big, works so good on the track. All right, we're doing the beep start. Very, very high tech. He's got me with the launch. Oh. He has traction and no torque steer. I think I might have him in the straights, but oh, it's pretty fast.
Hey Mama, how you doing? Hello.
Hello.
Hey Mum, how's things?
How you doing, darling?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad, darling. I'm just doing my shift up to Salvation Army at the moment, tossing shoes around.
Oh, okay.
I couldn't believe how many people donate one shoe.
Oh, I'm going to have to work for this one, and I can't overcook it in the corners. Go in slow, go in slow, go in slow. Straighten up, out fast. Here we go. Oh, no, overcooked it. Oh, he just grips.
Did you get your iPhone working?
I sent you a photo, but I can't get photos up on my iPhone.
Oh. Have you tried turning it off and then turning it on again?
The Golf just grips. It's getting away. Oh, I'm going to have to draw. Four-wheel drifting.
Aren't I going to lose all my photos if I do that?
You won't lose all your photos. It's just sometimes computers need a bit of a reset, otherwise they won't work properly. So just try turning your iPhone off, then turn it back on again, and then try sending me a photo. It should work.
He's disappearing into the sunset.
Oh. Well, look, I'll try that when I get off the line from you. Other than that, how are things with you?
Pretty good, thanks. Yeah, I'm just
Good.
making some videos with Marty, having some fun, just hanging out. Not lots happening really, actually.
No, I don't know if I'm going to be able to catch him.
And how's Martin?
Marty's good. He's a little bit slow at the moment, but he seems to be going okay.
That's pretty impressive. Stock Golf, heaps less power, but man, it just sticks.
Oh, well, maybe he's not very well, darling, because he's a bit slow.
No, I mean, we're having a race at the moment. We're making a video right now. We're making I'm on a racetrack.
Oh, my gosh. Well, I hope your hand's free then.
Ah, tyres spin. Just wish it had four-wheel drive or something. It'd be a fair fight. He's disappearing. This is the only way I can catch him. He's full throttle up the straight. End of fourth gear, and I just come into this turn one so hot.
What did you think about that road in China that I sent you?
Oh, that was crazy. Yeah, that was absolutely wild. Thanks for sending that. Hey, I should go because I'm going 160 kilometres an hour at the moment. So.
All right, darling. Well, hang up. I don't want you to miss a curve.
Okay, thanks, Mama. Bye.
Okay, darling.
Bye.
Lots of love.
Bye.
Just gets into a corner and pulls away. That's all four wheels gone. Punishing these tyres. Short shifting it to try and get some grip back. Too hot, too hot, too hot, too hot. Come on, Golf, come on! Oh, he's just gone. Oh, four wheels, no, that's just drift, skidding around like crazy. Nah. This tight, twisty stuff, I cannot keep up with him, not even close. He's pulling away. Oh, that's that wall. Go! Oh, man. No. Dead. I don't know if I've killed it. That might be some kind of engine protection. Yeah, temperature's coming up. That's it. I've actually just lost that fight. Yeah, that's engine protection. That's engine protection. Or maybe not. Actually, that sounds really not good.
How's Marty going? I think he's given up. So I can go back into my eco mode, put my air conditioning on. I think it's all over. This is the bit where I do my hazard lights, I think. Has he blown his car up? I better go see him. He has stopped.
Oh, she's not starting again. It's not starting again. It's not a good sign. Sounds like it's boiling. Smells like it's boiling. Oh, what? Oh, you for real? That's the most annoying thing ever. That's the most annoying reason to lose a race ever.
I will just go over the finish line to confirm the kill. Bang, there it is. Too Sexy has been dominated by a completely stock Golf, everyone, in case you were wondering. That's the recap. And now I'd better go and see what's actually going on.
Thrashed out old battery terminals. Back in the game. Oh no, he's coming up. Oh, no, it's over. It's over. He's officially beaten me. I don't think there's any questioning that.
Are you all right?
Yeah. It started to get really hot because I just couldn't catch you.
Yeah.
Started to get hot and then felt like it went into some kind of engine protection.
Oh no.
You know what it was?
No, what?
Negative strap on the battery just popped straight off.
Oh really?
And then the car died.
Oh, okay.
But I couldn't catch you. It was all over, man.
Really?
As soon as our track straightened out, I could close the gap a bit just with outright power. And as soon as we got to a turn like this where there's two linked up, not a chance. It just pulled away.
A stock Golf.
Yeah.
It's a bit weird, isn't it?
Not really.
Isn't it? We both knew it, man. You must have known deep down I was going to destroy your Evo, right? Sorry, your Evo. Do we go home now? I think you owe me a dinner. Now that can I call myself the king of Evos? I'm the king of Evos, everybody. There it is.
We'll just let him keep
Is that what we're meant to do? I do remember back in the day, you said, I'll destroy all Nissans. So there it is. I'll destroy all Evos in my stock Golf. It was a good race, though. Your car didn't make it. So that's a win for me. Farewell, Martin. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thanks for my mum calling me while I was racing. That was cool. You should answer the phone when your mum rings, even if it is an inconvenient time. But there it is, people. That is stock Golf beats modified car or something. I know the Golf's not the popular choice. At least it's not an RS3.
Well, at least my car's not broken. At least I don't think it is. Oh, Too Sexy. Mechanical failure. Electrical failure, I guess you'd call that more so, wouldn't you? I wish it was closer than it was. There's no getting around the fact that Golf really quick and it's standard.
Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. That's it. Marty's Evo has been smoked. And maybe that's the end of Too Sexy now. Imagine that.
We'll just let him think he's won for a bit longer. He might have won the race, but he hasn't won the day. We'll just let him gloat for a little bit longer before I bring out my daily.